Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start on the watch face. Press any button to wake the Fenix 6 and make sure it's unlocked. Hold the middle left menu button to open settings so you work in the device's native controls. Check the battery icon and note whether battery saver is active so you know what to look for. Once done, scroll to System in Settings. This is where power options live. Make sure you use the up and down buttons for steady navigation rather than quick taps that might skip items. From System, find the Power or Battery menu. Firmware names vary, but the content is the same. You'll see Battery Saver listed. Select it to view whether it's on or off and any automated triggers. Press the Enter or Start button to open the Battery Saver submenu so you can change modes. Once inside, you'll see toggles for battery saver and possibly thresholds. Use the down button to review each option slowly so you don't miss a nested setting or confirmation prompt. Now toggle battery saver to off and confirm if the watch asks. Doing so restores normal backlight, GPS, and sensor behavior. Once done, press back to return to the watch face and make sure the screen timeout and activity tracking behave normally. That verifies the change. If battery saver doesn't switch off, restart the Fenix 6 by holding the light button for 15 seconds or check for a firmware update via Garmin Connect. These steps often
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.